The Bentover Row is a pull exercise, and the target muscles are the lats, but it also works a little bit the shoulders and the biceps. It's performed in a split stance position, and you can use either kettlebells or a dumbbell. For the setup, we're getting into that split stance position. And with this one, I want my feet to be wide both side to side and front to back. So from the front, you can see I'm wide side to side, as well as front to back. In this position, knees slightly bent, I'm going to take this hand that's not holding the weight, place it on my knee, and I'm going to put most of my weight right there. That's about 90% of my weight is on my left arm right now. Slight bend in both knees. I'm going to let my arm just hang nice and relaxed and loose. We're going to do nice tall posture even in this position. So bring those shoulders back, chest up. And from here, I'm going to just take this weight. I'm going to think about that elbow and I'm going to drive it back. Pulling the weight towards my hip here, just in line with my hip. And then right back down. So I'm going to keep that elbow tucked in as I pull back and right back down. Nice, slow, controlled. What I don't want to see is that elbow coming out to the side. We don't want that. That's working that shoulder too much. We want that elbow tucked in, the weight hitting us right in the hip. Down. For breathing, we're inhaling at the bottom position and exhaling as we pull. Inhale and exhale. The body's staying nice and still. The only thing moving is that elbow as it pulls back. We're going to keep that shoulder nice and relaxed. It's going to stay down. What we don't want to see is we don't want that shoulder coming up towards the ear like this. That's that trap muscle joining the party. It's not invited. Knock it down. So turning it around, this position, going wide with the feet, side to side, front to back. Good tall posture. Get that hand on that knee. Nice straight arm. Shoulders back, chest up. And we're going to pull, drive that elbow, bringing that weight right to the hip. Just work in the back. Inhale and exhale. Nice, slow tempo, controlled, and relaxed.